Dear viewers, I have a driving experience of more than 40 years and I have certain important experiences which I wish to share with you so that you can drive safe and stay happy. While driving on road, there is a very important point to note that your speed should be maintained in such a way that you can stop your vehicle within half of the clearly visible distance. If you maintain this particular tip while driving, you will avoid accidents during driving during nights, on sharp turns, or in any other such condition when you are moving on slopes, down hills or up hills. Particularly when you are driving on up hills, you may not be able to see the oncoming traffic from the other side. Hence, it is a very important point to note that your driving speed should be maintained in such a way that you can stop your vehicle within half of the clearly visible distance. You will be surprised to know that many accidents occur due to cyclists and motorists. So you have to stay alert while driving and take a note of their movements. When a vehicle is stopped on the road, you have to ensure that nobody is coming from the front of that stagnant vehicle, because someone may emerge swiftly on the road and it may be very difficult for you to control your vehicle. Also, you have to be very cautious while driving on district roads or village roads, wherein the small roads are joining to the main road, particularly when the traffic of joining road is not clearly visible to you. Also, you have to stay alert while driving on fuel station, from where anybody may join the main road swiftly and it may be difficult for you to control your vehicle. While driving on district roads or village roads, you should drive slow and be very cautious, particularly for the roads, small roads joining the main road. Many a times these roads, small roads, join at right angle to the main road, and the traffic coming from these small roads joins the main road swiftly, and you may not be able to take a note of them. Hence, stay alert and drive slow on such roads to avoid any accident. Likewise, you have to take a note of any dhaba also, so that you run safe. Please ensure to use safety belt while driving. Even your airbags will not work properly if you don't use seat belts. Use safety belts and make sure that your car is meant for your comfort, and never try to save journey time. To run safe is more important than to save time on your run. So please be careful while driving and run with the calculated speed as advised above. Please do not use mobile phones while driving, as even a fraction of a second can create an accident. So please ensure that you do not use any mobile phone while driving. Please check your car tire pressure, particularly in hot weather, and if possible use nitrogen so that your journey stay safe. Please change your tires when the tread is less than 1.6 mm to avoid any accident. it is necessary to drive your vehicle on wet roads slow, because the grip of your tire with the road is reduced and the vehicle is going to take more distance to stop. So to run safe, it is very important to drive slow on wet roads. When you have driven your vehicle passing through the water on road, which is more than a feet or so, please press your brake pedals so that the water filled in the brake shoes is taken out and the grip of your brakes are restored. It is very important. While driving on uphills, please use suitable gear so that you have sufficient power to drive safe on uphills. While driving downhills, you should use the same gear which has been used while driving uphills, so that you can use the engine resistance as much as possible and it will be safer for you. Also ensure that you keep on checking your brakes while driving downhills to make a safe journey. Also, it is to be ensured that you will keep your engine on while driving downhills, so that you can use your engine resistance as well as your brakes can be applied firmly. If you put your engine off and you are having the car with power brakes, then power brakes will not work and you will not be able to control your vehicle. So it is very important to keep your vehicle on while driving downhills. While parking on hill roads, please ensure to shift to the lower gear and apply your hand brakes firmly so that your vehicle is parked safely. If you are parking on a steep slope, then please ensure to put some obstruction under the tires and make sure that all the fellow passengers have come out of the car and the driver then should take himself out of the car. While traveling with children, please ensure that your children are boarded in the car first and only then you should enter your vehicle. Also, please ensure that all the doors are properly closed and use child lock for their better safety. Likewise, when you deboard the car, first you come out of the car and then take out your children safely on the road. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment so that I can bring further such important videos explaining my certain experiences of life. Thank you.